Examinering students, in the last class we had learnt about the tropical region and we had learnt about some of the features of the polar region animal. Tropical rainforest also and polar region. In polar region we had discussed about some of the features of the animal that live in the very cold region. What are the features? Anyone can say the few features? Yes, Seri.
Ma'am, in polar region, polar bear is there. It has thick layer of fat
under their skin. That is one of the feature. Next feature, Pratap. No. Tanishka.
They can swim in the cold water, and by their strong arm they can walk on the
Very good.
snow
Easily. Okay, so they are having fur on them. They can swim easily, and one more interesting fact is that they can close the nostrils while they were swimming. Understood, students? And then we had saw about the this one. What you will say? We had saw about the different animals in the tropical rainforest. Why that population is more? Why there are more animals in the tropical forest? Reason is that the climate is good. Rainfall is there for several months. Understood? Rain is occasionally it is coming. Understood? So and then the food and the climate is suitable for animals to stay over there. So the animals population is more in the tropical forest. Understood? Which are the regions come in the tropical forest? Malaysia, China, India. These all things will come in tropical forest. And which are the places will come in polar region? America, Norway, grasslands. Understood? Where extreme cold will be there. Understood, students? Now, in last class we had said saw about the red-eyed frog, which is having sticky patches to stick on the branches, and toucan, which is having a big beak, and then they can eat the fruit. Insects and eat the fruit. Next, lion-tailed macaque we had saw. Now we are going to see about the Indian elephant. Indian elephant means African elephant, Indian elephants are there. Understood? Indian elephant, what are the special features they are having? They are having, all elephants are having big trunk and they are having a good sense of smell. They have a good sense of smell, which is one of the common character of tropical rainforest. जो भी animal tropical rainforest रहता है उसको common क्या होता है? The smell is, they have a strong sense of smell and they are having the tusk. Tusk means a white color. This type you can see now. This like a teeth. That acts like a teeth to tear the barks. उसको barks बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Barks means stem of the plant. That we are calling it as bark. To tear that bark and to eat the leaf. They like the what you will say. They like to eat this and their trunk is giving the strength, and this task it will look like a teeth for them. Understood, student? And one more important thing about the tropical rainforest animal is what? They are having very powerful eyesight. This is equal for this elephant also. Understood, students? So here comes the end of the chapter. In this chapter, what are the things we had saw? We had saw about the weather, climate, polar region and tropical region. Hope you understood this chapter, students. See you in the next class. Thank you.